Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज USD-INR is going to drift upwards. 82.11 के आसपास offshore में spot is trading. Spot reference that is 7-8 paisa higher from the yesterday's close. The Asian pack or the Asian currencies are being driven lower against the dollar by the Chinese factor. क्योंकि the comments from the Chinese policymaker is painting a very negative picture of the Chinese economy. It's clearly stating that China में the demand is weak and जिसके कारण industrial profits are slowing down. And the various economic indicators which have been released over the past 1 month or so have been corroborating that view. But the market is anticipating that the China has to announce some kind of a major stimulus. क्योंकि अभी तक जो stimulus China has announced has been very small in nature compared to the size of its economy. इसके लिए the markets have not been impressed. Now, if the USD-CNH continues to push upwards, that can be a negative news for the Indian rupee because USD-INR just cannot ignore the USD-CNH. So we have to keep an eye on the USD-CNH. If USD-CNH makes a move towards the last October-November highs, that's around 7.35, 7.37. That's going to be a major negative for the rupee. और हो सकता है उसके चक्कर में USD-INR can get back towards 82.5. But as of now, because of the FPI flows, which is quite robust, the FPI inflows, corporate inflows, and some speculative selling as well, USD-INR is capped around 82.20-25 levels. अगर वो breach होता है, then we could see a short covering rise, possibly towards the levels of 82.60, 82.70, जहाँ पे it had traded couple of weeks back. So 82.20, 22, that is the zone which you should watch out on the spot. उसके ऊपर if it starts to sustain, you could see a stop loss buying in USD-INR. Again, 82.20, 22 is the important zone. उसके ऊपर short covering risk will increase. So then you can look to play for 82.60, 82.70 kind of levels. And ye move, if it happens, it could be driven by USD-CNH. 82 is becoming a very formidable support. 82 से 81.90. ये जो zone है under 82 and above 81.70, USD-INR has spent most of its time above this level over the past 10 months or so. So around these levels, जो selling pressure rate tends to decrease significantly, और RBI का जो intervention है that tends to increase a lot, and they start to buy dollars. So how to trade this particular currency? What you can do is look to buy the dips, but your stop loss has to be below 81.90. अगर stop loss maintain करना है 81.90 on a positional basis, और intraday के लिए you can look to buy the dips with a stop loss below 82 on a closing basis on the futures. You can definitely use options instead of futures, because उसमें क्या है कि your risk when you're buying option, your risk is limited. And plus, because Kotak Securities offers you intraday free brokerage, so you can trade a lot intraday, and you will be only charged the statutory charges. So जो हम लोग बोलते हैं option scalping, that can be done with USD-INR options. So once again, before I move to other currencies, 81.90 से 82 is a formidable support zone on the spot. 82.22 के आसपास is a major resistance. उसके ऊपर risk of short covering can increase, and we can see a move accentuate towards 82.60 even. So keep these levels in mind. Cross currencies में euro dollar, GBP dollar both can see some kind of a correction. But अगर अगर USD-INR is able to push higher, it can offset some of that negativity in Euro USD, GBP क्योंकि ये दोनों currency is quite overbought. So Euro INR, GBPINR needs more consolidation, needs more downward correction, and needs to spend more time catching its breath, because momentum, though very bullish, but extremely overbought. So keep that in mind. So people who are looking to go contra and go short on these currencies must maintain their stop above the recent highs, which are almost their all-time highs. And for us, we would be looking to trade these currencies on an intraday basis now, because momentum, जो strong upward momentum है, that has gone missing. So it is better to do intraday jobbing or scalping kind of trade, like for 10-15 paisa, and to take a position or a bet in these currencies now. As important data is going to be the UK CPI, which is going to have a major impact on GBPINR. Around 11:30 के आसपास it will be released. If it comes higher than what the market is anticipating, which is 8.2%, then we could see a jump in the GBPINR. But anyways, our GBPINR is going to be quite volatile, and you will get a lot of intraday trading opportunities. With this, I'm going to conclude. A fantastic day ahead.